So let's do a full technical analysis breakdown here for Tesla. We'll start at the monthly time frame and go from there. So this is the monthly chart for Tesla here. You can see that it's been in a overall in an uptrend. The 50 moving average on the monthly time frame is moving up. Sort of starting to flatten out a little bit here, but overall this is still pretty good on the monthly. We have a very strong resistance here. We actually broke out from this previous area of resistance earlier this year, or actually in December of last year. But unfortunately, the monthly candle is not able to close above it. And then now we are making a higher low. So what I do like about this chart here is that we have our bottom and we've been making higher lows every time. So that's good. We can draw a line here, a trend line. And it looks like this could be a ascending triangle pattern. It can also be a cup and handle if you look at it this way. Regardless what it is, long term it looks pretty good. So if we look more closely, let's pull up the weekly chart here first. Get rid of all these lines. All right, so weekly chart, we bottomed out back in April. Unfortunately, looks like this downtrend line is still intact. We haven't broken out of it yet on the weekly time frame. Things are getting a little tighter here, so we'll see. Now on the daily time frame, I'll draw our base that we broke out of. We tested it once and then we tested it twice. As you know, Tesla is very sensitive to news, Twitter posts or X posts. We'll see. This could be the second leg down here that we're working on. Overall, we are holding that pivot level for our the top of our base here. That's good, but I don't know. This could potentially be a lower high relative to that. So might be a bear flag. If it is a bear flag, then we're going to be looking at about 255 as our target. If we can continue to work our way up this channel and break out of this line, that would be very constructive for Tesla. That's also a possible scenario. Could be a pennant here. So it really is going to depend in the next few weeks. We've got earnings that are coming up on Wednesday, July 23rd. We should get more information regarding the robo-taxi rollout and sales. So we'll see. I think right now Tesla is just neutral. It's just sitting in this channel here. It's coiling, or not channel, sorry, pennant here. And it's just coiling until we see a big move. We can see a breakout or a breakdown. It's just going to depend on the price the next few weeks. So yeah, those are my thoughts on Tesla. Now, Before we end the video, let's talk about what happens if we do break out or break down. So let's talk about breakout first. Now, if we break out of this downtrend line here, we're looking at a target of potentially $440 getting to the all-time highs. So that'll be good if we break out. If we break down, I talked about that bear flag potentially taking us to 255, and if we can't hold 255, then we have this trend line that's held up pretty well for the most part. We did break down from it back in April of 2024. That was when we had the sell off into earnings, but we were able to recover that and close above it eventually. So we'll see. If we can't hold that 255, then that trend line would be in play. That's all I'm going to say about Tesla. Again, video is not it's not trading advice, not financial advice, not investment advice. It's just for education, entertainment. So thanks for watching.